Welcome to Desert Sands Inn and Suites, your budget-friendly retreat in the vibrant heart of Albuquerque, New Mexico. Whether you're traveling for business, passing through on a road trip, or enjoying a family vacation, our hotel offers comfort, convenience, and value. Relax in our spacious, well-appointed rooms featuring free Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, and convenient kitchenettes, perfect for short or extended stays. Start your day refreshed and ready to explore. Enjoy free parking, friendly service, and competitive rates, all designed to make your stay easy and enjoyable. We're just minutes from historic Old Town, the Sandia Peak Tramway, and the world-famous Balloon Fiesta Park, home to Albuquerque's most colorful annual event. You'll also find great dining, shopping, and cultural experiences nearby. Make Desert Sands Inn and Suites your home base for discovering all that Albuquerque has to offer. Book your stay today at desertsandsinsuitesabq.com.